Hello, I'm slacking today. I've already recorded this once. This is my breakfast today. I've already eaten about a third, 2/3 of it. It's the ground beef and bacon and onions that I made this weekend. And this is what I'm wearing today. It's a little, like a peacock type feathered skirt. And then a shirt, like the sleeves. And yeah, that's what I'm wearing and that's what I'm eating for. Hello, lunch today is my Asian medley of vegetables. I've got some seasoning on it and salt and the turkey, 8 ounces of turkey that I made up. I just kind of pulled it apart before I nuked it and added some seasonings to it. So this is what I'm having for lunch today. We're going basic for supper tonight. This is that roast that I made over the weekend. And I've already microwaved it. I don't remember if I seasoned it. I just don't remember. So we're going to be very improper. Nope. I think I did put some that smoke flavor stuff. So we'll put this umami mushroom and onion, because you know I like this stuff, and some salt. Tell you what it would be good with, some cold veggies, but I didn't have any, like cucumber. That would be good, but I don't have one, and I cooked up that other, and this will be good. This is all I need right now. Let's see if that's better. Maybe a little more salt. There we go. So how basic does this get? I think it was a chuck roast. I don't remember exactly what it was. I'll have to go back to my video from Saturday to see what I made. But I do know it's like a little less than 7 ounces. So 7 ounces I'll plug in. And I'll plug in everything else. And this is what I'm having for supper. Just a basic meat supper. Have a good night. Here's my macros for the day. Not too shabby.